Yeah. It's no hard feelings. Maybe so. It's the product of a heartbreak. On a rooftop while I stargaze. Pardon me while I parlay. Reminisce on no old times at the parkway. A young kid getting changed for the arcade. Headphones in while I'm listening to Kanye. Scoping out the girls in the hallway. Fast forward to present, now we getting cake. I'm inside another world, trying to find me another girl. Cause I feel the last one was from the underworld. Ain't no dissing, but I was missing something. Said you dealing with it, but you ain't never mentioned nothing. I'm inside, and you mean to tell me you ain't feeling nothing? Well, that's a bet, you probably ain't never gonna feel nothing. Yeah, I gave you everything, and you walked away. Late night phone conversations begging you to stay.
You don't have to call, baby,
yeah.
No, no. I'ma be alright tonight.
Promise I'ma be good.
You don't have to call, baby, no, no.
Yeah.
I'ma be alright tonight.
You are in the mix with DJ Raps.
Tried to write something different inside this notepad. Wish I could delete these memories like a program. Tired of tossing and turning, tired of being tired. But when you love someone, you throw yourself inside the fire. Just to see if it burns, just to see if she cares. Just to see if she realizes that your love is rare. I feel a change in these last couple conversations. Like maybe you wanna be here and it's making me impatient. But still, I told myself as a man, you fighting for what you want. Give her space, it's no reason for you to try to rush. Praying for better days, praying that God protects her. Praying every single day he brings us back together. Look, I don't know the odds, care less about getting even. Waking up in cold sweats at the thought of her just leaving. But the more I think about it, I'll be good without it. I ain't even really tripping.
You don't have to call, baby, no, no. I'ma be alright tonight.
Yeah.
You don't have to call, baby, no, no. I'ma be alright tonight.
Dream loud.
Tell me what you're waiting on.
Yeah.
This what you're waiting for. Cause I know you're a bad bitch, so I'ma show you what you've been waiting on. Money's okay. One sex all day, and we could do it our way. Let's get the phone playing. Oh, you're my babe. Holding on, you're holding on, babe. Love you right, babe. You fold me right, babe. Tell me what you fading on. Show me what you fading on. So baby, stay true, let me stay true. Cause I don't ever be just wanna be you. Yeah. Have you ever had a motherfucker sing a song to you? Well, this song's for you. Girl, you know I belong to you. Never gonna do no wrong to you. Cause we both been hurt, baby. I guess you gotta learn, baby, yeah. Let me smoke a little weed, get it on my chest. Lady, baby girl, I've been feeling kinda stressed. Swear the liquor is going straight to my head. Tell me what you faded on. Show me what you faded on. Baby, stay true, let me stay true. Cause I don't love a bitch, it's wanna be you. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. But slow down, slow down. Slow down, slow down. Slowly reversing positions. Can I make you feel right? Can I make you feel right? Only if both of you make that decision. Can I make you feel right? Now can I make you feel right? The drinks and the weed got me zoning. You and your girlfriend be moaning. Damn, I can tell that she want it, just by the way that she flown it. Oh, seems like fucking was always a mission. Can I make you feel right? Can I make you feel right? Slow down, slow down, slow down. Shawty, why you always rushing? Cause with me you always crushing. Down for whatever, that's cool. I'ma lay you down on a bed if that's cool, yeah. You can watch it through the mirror. Get on top just so you can see it clearer. Don't worry, you'll be home soon. You can tell your girlfriend she can come too, yeah. And if it's your first